What is up, guys? It's your girl Ella and I'm back with another video. And today's video is just a talk through tutorial. Really basic. Today we're doing just like an everyday look situation. Something really fresh and fun and cute and appropriate. Starting off with my Ultra Wear Camouflage Concealer from Glam. I am in the color, okay, so this is 16 Cafe. And then my foundation color for the Lancome makeup stick is 555 Suede. I use CoverGirl's Vitalist Glow, this little illuminator. I put some of that, it's a luminizing lotion. I put some of that on. And now I'm just going under my eye with a tad bit of this concealer. And I just kind of look around for dark spots on my face that I want to cover up. I grab my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender. I also spray it with some setting spray. And now we just blend. Okay guys, I am super sorry for all of the gum smacking. I promise when I start eating gum, it's like I turn into a whole nother person. Next, I'm going to be using my makeup stick in 555 Suede. I've used this in a few videos. It's definitely a fave of mine. I really like it. I like how you can't even really tell that I'm even putting on anything. It's really nice. So next I take my setting spray and spray my face. Then I go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's a concealer. I use the color Hazelnut, the perfect shade. Keep it real simple, okay? Under the eyes, up, right above the eyebrows, you know, to straighten those back out. Because they get a little messed up. Put some on my chin, above my lip, and it's my Pure BoxyCharm palette, and I use the brown inside as a contour. Sorry, my tone keeps changing. Like, it keeps going from like vivid to like a cool to warm. Anyways, I take an angled brush, go in that dark brown, and I contour my nose, and I bring it into my eye as a eyeshadow. And with another color on the lid, something really simple. Like probably just the brown mixed with the light, a lighter situation. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Going in with some loose powder to set the concealer. For eyeliner, I use the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner, and I always most likely use black. Eyelashes I'll be using today, really cute. They're from Eylure, and they are from the Ann Lee collab. She did a collab with Eylure, and these are her lash designs. Really wispy, really cute, full. This definitely brings a these eyelashes definitely bring a basic look to life. And I will come back with the next one done. And boils on. So next I'm going to be adding blush, and this blush is from Pretty Vulgar 18 Hush Blush. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I use, this is horribly ruined. Let me let you guys see this. This is like crumbled up, like just a mess. And I just go on my cheek. Two applications of highlight, because I do one with the powdered one and I'm about to wipe the powder away, and then I do one once my face is like set and stuff. And to wipe the powder away, I like to use this 360. I am in the color 360 Mocha. It's Fit Me Maybelline pressed powder. Set and spray again, and spray my face for the 800th time. Highlight, of course, because what is a face with no highlight? I like to apply mascara. The mascara that I use is CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. Really, really good mascara. And next I'm going on with my Buxom eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. And I'm going on my waterline. Alright, and now we're gonna go pick a lip, and then we're gonna be right back, and then we'll be done with the look. Okay, so for our lip, we're about to do a whole bunch of nothing. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm using, but I promise you it's gonna be the simplest lip that you've ever seen. It's brown pencil to line my lips. Line your girl lips up. Then I just go full throttle and kind of fill in the edges. CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in the color Clean Slate, but really cute. So you could stop right here and be done, but guess what, we're not done. I'm going in with Buxom, my absolute favorite, okay? This is Hottie Tot, not Hottie Toddy, I'm lying, this is Hot Toddy, and this is like their lip plumper. It's their lip plumping cream. I love Buxom lip plumper. As this well, like this needed. And then I go in with some Hair Store lip gloss. It's by Ruby Kisses. I just take a little bit. I like my lip gloss to be popping. I don't care what nobody gotta say. And I rub it on. Ooh, look at the highlight. Ooh, look at that highlight. Like a really cute everyday type of situation. Alright guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Really quick and easy and simple everyday week, okay sis? If you want to wear makeup every single day of your life, this is definitely a look to go for. Very simple, very natural, and very easy and not time consuming. I was really proud of myself of how it did not take forever and I'm looking like a damn snack. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, okay? I really appreciate it. Please check the description box down below and follow me on my social media pages. I would love to follow you guys back and, you know, conversate with you guys. Do not be scared to slide in the DMs, okay, sis? Because your girl talks to everybody and I support you guys just like you support me. See you in the next one. Bye.